Alright, my people, dancehall skilla there again, you know. Yeah, big up and respect to each and everyone. You see it? Well on there. Let me set this as straight, my people. See it? Alright, cool. Yeah. Alright, now my people. I saw a video posted somewhere on social media claiming to show someone doing witchcraft. And allegedly, the person disappeared in parts of the video. Now, the video is said to be a surveillance footage, meaning that the video had been recorded by a surveillance camera. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I want to point out at least two things about this video, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Yeah, two things I want to point out about this video. And you can also let me know what you think about this video as well. You see me, I said? Yeah. Allegedly, it is said that this video shows someone doing witchcraft. Some person might call it Obeah, some person might call it voodoo. But people don't tell me what they think about that video. I'm going to observe it carefully, alright? Yeah, alright. Observe. You see that already? Alright, well, just go and look with the people. Just go and look with me. It look like the person appearing. You know. Just go and look. The first time I see that video, I still no viewers and subscribers. You know, I see the person with something that almost look like a broom. Or maybe it is a broom, I don't know. You see what I say? But when I see the video, I say to myself, but wait. I wonder if I fly, the person can fly with that broom there. You see what I say? All kind of things I start to think. You see me? Look on the video with me. Observe with me still, my people. Like a dance person, all a dance too. They don't know what. Watch it. Just looking at my people, just look. I'm gonna be real with you, my people. In my point of view, I think that this video is edited, you know. You see that a while ago? You see that? Me soon point out certain things now, my people. Just go and look on this, cause just go and look. Just so see person look like the person just come back to the video again. Just look, 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 look. Look. So what are you talking about? Yes, I. Hey, it me wake up one morning, you know. Anytime at all, me there my yard and me see somebody outside of my yard gate or in my yard that do all them things still, you know. Me I tell you some people. Me gone and sell at the house there, you know. Me no want at the house there again, you know. Just go and look it up, people. Just go and look. Yeah, allegedly this person keeps disappearing and reappearing in the video. Alright, well I'm soon point out something too, you know, my people. Just give me a little time. Me just, with all due fairness, me present the entire video too, no? Look again, look here. Look. Alright? Alright. Why the person have to do that at the edge of the which part of the video range there? You see me I say? Look again, look here now. See it? You see how the person appeared there, so no, me I tell you, we just, you know what I mean? Watcha. I signed this. No, my people. Well on, man. No. Like a party this money there. Just keep looking still, my people. Just go and look. We are reached to look on this now. Look on the party now. Look. You see that? Alright. Alright, my people, and a real, me do some check on this video to see if this video is an edited video. You see me? Because on a real, you see, me not to believe deeply in this whole witchcraft and voodoo thing. Me still have a belief that this video might be edited now. But anyways, me do me check on parts of the video that shows when the person allegedly disappear and reappear in of your subscribers. You see me? And me do so by checking the timer that is on the video. You see me? Because they said that this video is from a surveillance footage. I'm gonna do that, I'm check that. And on a real, my people, I might be right and I might be wrong, but the timer don't look like it really and truly mess with. You see me? The timer don't look like it jump. You know what I mean? You know, like when they say they might make somebody disappear, the timer would have jumped from a certain part, go up. But then again, me I wonder if the timer is a timer that had been put in the video. You know what I mean? Because, you know, you have, this is what some people don't understand, you know. That's why I still think that this video might be an edited video. You see me? Like, let me point it out now. See? For instance, someone take a video, like a video recorder, and video something. See? There are video editing tools that can allow you to make a video footage look like a surveillance camera video footage. I wonder if you understand what I say. So maybe the video had been done on a surveillance camera or just a camera, but somebody edit the video and put a timer on it to make the video look more convincing. That's one thing when me really and truly think about. You see me? Now there's a part of the video that shows when the person somehow allegedly reappeared in the video. Now, I think that the person jumped in that part of the video. That's one flaw what I kind of see, because it kind of show like the person jump into the video. So it coming like the person jump in at the video, you know, people see. And why is it that when the person do those disappearing parts, the person go to the corner of the screen of the video? You see? Yeah, so that would give the person a good and a quick way to just run out of the screen and then edit that part to make it seem as if the person disappeared. You see me? People who do video editing will understand what I'm totally saying. You see me? I say that the Obeah and the witchcraft and the voodoo not real, you know, but the amount of editing tools depend social media. I would not encourage anyone to just quickly accept anything what them see and hear on social media as a video or so forth. You understand? Yeah, so I just point out them things that you know. Yeah, this video I get a buzz on social media. A lot of people on social media actually believe that the video shows someone doing witchcraft and disappearing and reappearing in the video. So I'd like to know what you think, my people. Tell me if you believe that the video actually shows someone disappearing, reappearing, and doing witchcraft in the video, or if you don't believe none of that none at all. Let me know what you think, my people. So yeah, so I will leave it until the next time. If you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla, and big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.